Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be making a mild yellow rocoto hot sauce. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is pick some peppers. My yellow rocoto plant has continuously flowered and fruited all through winter and now spring. There is a lot of new growth for the upcoming summer, so I'm expecting a decent harvest. But for now, I'm going to pick all the ripe peppers. That's all the peppers picked. Let's now head into the kitchen. The next thing we need to do is clean our peppers. So what I'm doing here is giving them a good wash in some cold water and using a toothbrush to clean any dirt off. That's our last one done, so now I'm going to pat them dry with a tea towel. I have transferred our clean peppers over to a chopping board. I'm now going to cut these up for two reasons. As you can see, there are some blemishes on the pods which need to be removed, as I don't want these in my sauce. The other reason I'm cutting these up is because the seeds of the rocoto pepper are black and I don't want the little black flecks appearing in my sauce either. Our peppers are now clean and I have ended up with 548 grams or 1.2 pounds for our sauce. And I'm not going to throw away these seeds. I'll be drying them out and keeping them for next year and to give to family and friends. Here's everything we'll need to make the sauce. Along with the peppers we have a cup of distilled white vinegar, 2 small limes peeled, 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to transfer all of our ingredients except the salt into a blender or a food processor and mix for a couple of minutes. I'm not too worried about all the ingredients being finely blended because this is going to be a cooked hot sauce which will be ready for consumption immediately, as opposed to a fermented hot sauce which usually requires a minimum of 2 weeks to be ready. I have transferred the mixture into a saucepan and I'm going to bring this up to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes to let all the flavours combine. This will also soften the onion and the garlic, which will give a smoother texture for the sauce. Our sauce has been boiling for 5 minutes. We can now turn this off and allow to cool. I ended up adding an extra 1/3 of a cup of vinegar as I wanted a more runnier consistency. All that's left to do now is add the salt and blend. For this sauce I'll be using my NutriBullet to get a fine smooth blend. After blending for a few seconds you can see the colour change to a vibrant bright yellow. We have finished blending the sauce and as you can see we have ended up with just over a litre or 1 quart of a beautiful bright smooth hot sauce. Before bottling I like to test the pH to make sure it's going to be a shelf stable sauce. On this occasion the pH came out at 3.3 which is perfect. We can now bottle our hot sauce using clean, sterilised and sanitised bottles and caps. This was enough for 4 large 250ml or 8.4 ounce bottles with a little left over. And of course, it wouldn't be Frankie's Fire hot sauce without a funky label. Our cooked Yellow Rocoto hot sauce is now done. I had a taste of this and can't wait to try it in salads or with Mexican dishes. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to upload recipes as well as updates on my 2020 summer grow season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you same chilli time, same chilli channel.